Hello guys, Harry, hi, how are you? Manuel, hello guys, how is everybody doing? So earlier today I've talked about potential new setup in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, okay? And I will place that trade and I will take a look also on other markets here live, trying to identify new potential setups and trades. And if you have questions, guys, I'm waiting actually for your questions in the YouTube chat. So before I will start this session, and if you are a VIP member, Giovanni, Mahdi, hello, hi, how are you guys? So, risk disclaimer, it's important to understand that trading is risky, that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Learn to trade win will never contact you directly. Yeah. Don't forget that you can join the VIP groups only after purchasing a subscription. Okay. Thank you guys. I will close this window. Let's take a look here on economic calendar. So in 30 minutes we'll have the existing home sales and CB leading index. Let's see how the markets will react around this. Hello, thanks for the past few trade idea stuff. Went pretty cool. Rosvan, hi, how are you, man? Unfortunately, yesterday. I've managed my position in silver too soon. I don't know if for you guys the price reached the stop loss and closed and your position was closed at stop loss at break even actually, because I've moved my stop loss at break even. But yeah, let's take a look actually on silver first of all. Yeah, silver, because personally here, one moment. So I've had an entry here, okay, right below this former low, okay, but yeah, maybe in the short term I've missed an opportunity, but I've sent the trade, but I've missed an opportunity here after these false breakouts above the medium line, false breakouts above 21.277, false breakouts with great separation here through this neckline, and I've missed an opportunity maybe to go at market here sooner. Okay, so my entry was here. So pin bar here, actually only a false breakdown with great separation here through these former lows. Okay, the price dropped it here, and then personally I've decided to move my stop loss from here to break even, and we had a strong reaction right after the US data, mixed US data here, and that's why, yeah, my position was closed at break even. But yeah, right now it has rebounded. I will look for something else, as I've said. Yeah, but yeah, it was okay. It was closed at break even. So if you are a VIP member, if you are VIPs, guys, personally I'm still holding Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's talk about yen basket, and yeah, I will send that trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc as well. So please take a look here. Okay, I've talked about this support, about this demand zone, weekly pivot point in my previous webinar, also yesterday in my market breakdown videos. Okay, and I said that as long as it stays above this demand zone, demand area, valid breakout here, new higher high could signal potential leg higher, and this scenario could force the Japanese yen to appreciate. Okay, so that's why right now maybe personally I will look also for new Japanese yen longs, because if it validates its breakout here above this downtrend line, it could come back. It could come back higher, at least towards these former highs, and this scenario could help the yen to appreciate, okay, versus its rivals. But right now I already have long position in Japanese yen with that Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, which is still good. Yeah, I've talked about it. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen, that was not my trade, that was Orlando's trade. Thank you guys. And yeah, Johnson really had an awful week. All the trades were not so special. Johnson, trading is not only about winning trades. Even if you will see one day, Johnson, when you will be an experienced trader, maybe that yeah, you will have really bad days. Yeah, even if you will have experienced. Chris, Australian dollar Japanese yen closed. Yeah, that trade closed that stop loss. Yeah, but please wait for Orlando's update into the groups. That was not my trade. When will you place the trade, Giovanni? Yeah, I will place the trade. I've said I will place the trade. I will place the trade, but I will also have to take a look on markets. I will have to answer two questions here. I joined your VIP since 7th November, and it was almost all lost position. Is this situation normal? I mean, it is always like this. So let's take a look here on my FX book. So we are still up around 10%, and we are up and with the current trades, guys, right now with the current trades, with the current open trades, more than 1% as well, in the green with the current trades. So yeah, as I've said, so let's take a look here. So learn to trade, VIP performance 11.86%. Yeah, since April. Yeah, maybe it's not a really good performance, but at least we are in the green. Okay, with small drawdowns here. Maximum drawdown 12.37%, but yeah, we are still good, and we will continue to grow our real account. And as I've said earlier, more than 1% with the current trades here. So this is the performance here. Learn to trade VRP for performance, our real account right now. Okay, so we are in the green. Yeah, we are and with the current trades, maybe we'll be more than 12% in the green or something like this. Yeah. Okay. So okay. Yeah. I joined VIP since 1 year. Yeah. Mostly trades are lost. Marco, gold run in profit. Yeah. Good trades, bad trades. This is trading, guys, and you'll have to understand, as I've said, that's why I'm presenting that risk disclaimer all the time. Okay, past performance, maybe I will double, I will triple my account, I will grow my account, and maybe next year, I don't know, maybe I will be in the red. This is trading, guys. Okay, you cannot win every trade. Okay, that's why it's important also for you guys to have your own strategy. It doesn't mean that if I'm using price action or pitchfork or Fibonacci, you cannot use Elliott wave or only a moving average or something, and you will have maybe a better strategy. Yeah, Marco, you take all trades for VIP, Stefan. Yeah, it doesn't sound good. So personally, I've shown our results that my FX book tracked all our VIP trades. And yeah, our real account. Okay, so about yen basket, yeah, I said that I will look for potential new Japanese yen longs. And about dollar index, please take a look here. Maybe we'll have also something here. Yeah, unfortunately it continues to move sideways here. But here it has found support, and that's why I will use maybe this 106.36 as static support, and right now it tries to rebound. That's why personally I've talked about US dollar versus the Swiss franc earlier today in that video. I talked about this inverse head and shoulders pattern. I talked about this rally, accumulation, consolidation, and personally I have a setup, and I will place the trade right now, and I will look for more trades. Okay, right now, and please guys, it's up to you if you want to follow the trades. Right? Personally, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. I'm not. I'm sharing only my trades. I'm not sending signals. Okay, and yeah, right now, yeah, also the British pound versus the US dollar is still in profit. Orlando's trade for the swing trading group. It's up to you if you want to join the swing trading group as well. So let's take a look. Yeah, today I've had a New Zealand dollar US dollar. It was invalidated, but maybe I will still look for potential I will still look for potential US dollar longs, but maybe on the Australian dollar US dollar. Okay, how many pips is good for every month profit? I don't know, Chris. But don't forget, guys, that we are up more than 11% since April, but only using 1% risk or less than 1% risk. Okay, because in my opinion, if we should have if I would have used a higher risk, maybe, I don't know, our real account, it would have been plus 20% or plus 30% or something. Okay, so please understand that we are using only 1% risk, or 0.5 or 0.7, 0.8. So also that's why, yeah, we don't have amazing results or something like this, right? Because we are trading like professionals here, and yeah, maybe more than, or yeah, if we'll close this year around 15%, in my opinion, just under 5% for the week. Let's take a look again. Yeah, my FX book. Let's take a look. So this month, one moment. So this month, 2.74%. Yeah, we had a really bad month only in July. Only in July. Please take a look here. At break even, April. In May, 8.52, 4.21 in June. Yeah, July was a really bad month. 8.17 in August, and around the break even in September and October, and maybe this month will be, yeah, up. Okay, so these are the results. Yeah, these are the results. Thank you, guys. So this means you are profitable overall with your strategy. So please take a look. You can take a look on that MyFX book, and you will see that we had only a really bad month, yeah, in July. Okay, and yeah, it happens. Okay, it happens. And please understand, guys, that trading is not easy. Trading is risky, guys. And that's why it's important. That's why personally I'm presenting that risk disclaimer every time I'm going live or before all my videos, because it's important for you to understand that trading is risky. Okay, and yeah, I've told you that maybe if I'll use a higher risk, then yeah, maybe I will grow the account really fast or something like this. But also, if I'll use a higher risk, also maybe I will lose a lot. Okay, so here we want to trade like professionals, using only 1% risk, maybe, or less than 1% risk. And also, please, guys, you are here to learn, okay, how to read maybe the markets, to understand how the trading works. Okay, and yeah, heads up, guys, maybe in a day you can come back. Who is member of F1 in here? Harry. Okay, so US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's take a look. Personally, I will use this position size calculator. Okay, and maybe I will use a lower risk. Let's say I will risk around 0.8, maybe here on this market, and I will share the levels one moment, because I will place the trade. Let's take a look. Okay, that will be my entry, my stop loss. So I've talked about the thought process earlier in that video, and if you are only a free member, you will not get my my trade management. Okay, you will not get my management. 0.84% risk. Okay. Okay, I will share the levels into the VIP group. One moment, guys, because I have to send my trade, my levels in the VIP group as well. And if you have questions, more questions, yen basket again. Yeah, I'll wait here for the yen basket maybe to confirm its breakout before I will maybe place a new trade. Yeah, as the Japanese yen long. Okay. And also, if you're a VIP member, I still have that pending order in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Okay. I still have that pending order in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. So one moment, because I will send the levels, my trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc into the VIP group. USD versus the Swiss franc. Okay, the stop loss 64 and 8. And also take profit 0. Okay. Risk to reward ratio, guys, and also my risk 0.84. Okay. DXY, you can see that the dollar index rallies right now. One moment, and then I will answer to your questions. I will double check the levels before I will send the trade, my trade. So it's up to you guys. If you want to follow the trade, it's up to you. It's your trading account. Yeah. I will, and I cannot promise you anything. I'm not here to sell you dreams or something. That's why I'm presenting that risk disclaimer every time I'm going live, before all my videos. Okay, so I've shared my trade in the VIP group. So How trading robot, could you explain the new trade again? Chris, please Chris, watch that today's video analysis. How do you identify the head and shoulders? Can you share? Thanks. So let's take a look and let's talk about that head and shoulders. Maybe if you want on silver. And yeah, I will. I'm still looking for potential new trades. So head and shoulders pattern. Okay, this is a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, after a strong upside movement. Okay, maybe. Yeah, personally, I've used maybe this uptrend line here, and you can see that the price maybe retested it after dropping below it. It has retested it, and here we had the neckline. Okay, the neckline breakout, retest, and then the first maybe leg down after the retest. Yeah, in the short term, the price came back to retest maybe this is broken support zone as well, and yeah, it's still bearish. Okay, but personally, I've decided to manage my position after reaching these lows. Yeah, after registering this false breakdown, but the bias is still bearish in the short term, only because the dollar index rallies right now. And the US dollar appreciates. And as you already know, maybe it's not a perfect negative correlation, but when the dollar index rallies, okay, when the dollar index increases, personally, I don't want to be long on gold or silver. Okay, so that's why the metals drop right now. Yeah, also gold. So Orlando is short and in deep profit in gold. Yeah, let's take a look on our real account, guys. So let's take a look here. Let's wait for, yeah, so where is gold? Here is gold. Please take a look. This is Orlando's trading gold. Sell, okay, with a stop loss there and take profit. Okay, I believe that this was only for the VIPs. So yeah, is in deep profit right now, and more than 69 pips or something, 70 pips or something in gold. And please take a look here, our current trades. So we are in the green, $83. Yeah, more than 1.5, yeah, 1.6 with the current trades. Yeah, so and also I don't know about I don't know about you guys, but I believe that we are in the green in this week. Also with the swing trading groups, with the swing trades, sorry, for the swing groups. So yeah, and this gold looks very good right now. Yeah, it has dropped also below this immediate low, 1753, below the upper medium line. If it stays here, boom, okay, it could register a larger downside movement. Okay, what about oil, crude oil? Yeah, yesterday unfortunately I've missed something on US oil, because I talked about US oil on Wednesday when the price was here right after the crude oil inventories, after the Canadian inflation data, and I've missed an opportunity yesterday to go short here, to go short after it has escaped from this ascending pitchfork, after failing to come back above 85.39. But the reason why I don't like to trade here and learn to trade US oil, it's only because the price is different, okay, from TradingView to my trading platform, and also the price will be different from broker to broker, and maybe you will not understand where to place your entry or your stop loss, your take profit. That's why we send also those thought process or rational videos only because it's important for you to understand the thought process, because the price could be different. Okay, guys, so please take a look also on TradingView and also on your MetaTrader 4 or 5, and you will notice that the price is different. Okay, the price is different, yeah, from broker to broker. Okay, so that's why I don't like to trade maybe this market here at Learn to Trade. But yesterday I've had something here. Unfortunately, I've missed the opportunity to go short after this candle here, after this candle, yeah, this candle, because this candle here, so it has dropped it, and this candle here, a false breakout with great separation through the S1, and it has signaled a retest here of these former lows. And you can see that this false breakout with great separation was confirmed by a major and strong bearish candle, and it has signaled more declines, a deeper drop. Harry, yeah, for now I'm still holding, yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm still holding. Okay. If you have questions, guys, maybe this will be a quick session. Okay, silver as well. Yeah, Orlando is short in gold, so no, I will not take a trade on silver. Yeah, so US oil, I talked about US oil. US 100. Yeah, surprisingly or not, here the US equities jumped higher. Even if the dollar index, maybe only because the dollar index retreated here, drop it here. Google Eyes, markets, ICE markets low as 0.0 spreads. Yeah, that's great. That's great. But if you have questions, Google Eyes, about brokerage companies, please send an email to support. Yeah. So DXY, yeah, maybe only because we had this sell-off here, the US equities rallied in the short term, and right now it US 100, US 30, and US 500 drop it a little. Retreated, but first I don't think I have something like a high probability trade here, so nope, I will stay away. DXY, yeah, US dollar versus the Swiss franc continues to challenge 23.6 and 0.9544, and yeah, that's why only a new higher high maybe here could activate my my long. Okay, Chris, I don't have actually Orlando, that US 500, could you show us? Yeah, I've talked about US 500. I don't have anything on that market. No, I don't want to do anything here right now. Okay. I don't want to do anything here right now because only because, yeah, Orlando, swing trade is not my trade. Chris is not my trade. That swing trade in US 500 is not my trade. It's Orlando's trade, so you'll have to wait for Orlando's update. Did you ask it? Did you ask it Orlando earlier during his live session? Did you ask it him about this trade? So about this market, about US 500. So strong rally here, okay, strong rally, and maybe this represented only temporary retreat here. I don't know, maybe this was or this represented a pattern, a flag, okay, because it has found support here right on these former highs and also here on the pivot point. Right now it has rallied, and the US 500 drops right now, or it has dropped from today's high only because the dollar index turned to the upside, okay. The US dollar appreciates, so let's wait. Yeah, let's wait. But in my opinion, only we also had this former high, so 3980.7 as resistance. Let's wait. In my opinion, only a valid breakout above it could signal potential further growth, or if it stays below it, it could move sideways, and the new lower low could activate a potential downside movement. Also, on lower time frames, guys, you can see that it has reached here that resistance, and also maybe this upside movement represents a bearish pattern, okay. But maybe I want to see a new lower low here or something. Yeah, brother, what do you think about Bitcoin now? Right now, Harry, US 500 short. I told you it's not my trade, it's Orlando's trade. You should have asked Orlando about that trade earlier in the because he was hi DXY, can you see please? I've talked about Ramazanov. I've talked about dollar index several times during this live session. So this is my dollar index, sideways movement, still in a range here. Yeah, still in range. Okay, it has found support here, maybe on this uptrend line, 106.36. Yeah, also if we'll use pitchfork, so that's why I'm telling you guys that it's not important if you'll use an uptrend line here, or if you'll use this former low as static support, or if you'll use the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, you will get support here, okay. And if you'll use all these, yeah, we'll have you will have a confluence area, maybe a strong zone, and right now the dollar index rebounded, okay. It's not important. Maybe if you'll use let's take a look. If we'll use yeah, if we'll use Fibonacci on this leg higher, it has found support on 78.6. so that's why I'm telling you, I've told you all the time that it's not important if you'll use pitchfork, if you'll use price action, if you'll use static, dynamic support and resistance. You can use any tool, and in my opinion maybe we'll get the same resistance, the same support, okay. Let's take a look. Let's use also now daily pivots. No, but yeah, in my opinion, medium line here, breakout, retreat, a new rally, retest, and right now it tries to resume maybe its growth, but only a value breakout above 107.27 could really activate a strong upside movement, could really signal that the US dollar will dominate the currency market. Okay, I think I have $100 in Bitcoin and I don't know to sell it or keep it. Can you give me some help? No. I will not tell you what to do. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so you invested in Bitcoin. You are not trading Bitcoin. You are not maybe long in Bitcoin. You invested in Bitcoin. Okay, right? So about Bitcoin, after what happened lately in the crypto market, strong sell-off, and I've talked about 23.6, about 17,114 in my previous webinar. And I said that as long as it stays below these levels, the pressure is still high. But right now it continues to stay near the 23.6. But the pressure is still high. So I've said that maybe personally I will look only for potential shorts. But right now I don't have a selling opportunity because, yeah, please take a look here. Sell off, its failure to hit this former low. And if it stays here, it could also signal a potential breakout here. And if it takes out all these former highs as resistance levels, as upside obstacles, then it could come back higher. Okay, in the short term. But let's take a look on daily. But the bias remains bearish, guys. Please take a look here. Okay, it has ignored all downside obstacles, guys. It has ignored all downside obstacles. This was historical high here at 19,666. Okay, breakdown, rebound, new lower low. So the pressure is high. So right now, so if you invested in Bitcoin, okay, I'm holding gold to sell. What do you think? Should I hold it or close it? Please wait for Orlando's management. It's not my trade. Okay, it's not my trade. That position is in deep profit right now, as I've said also earlier. Strong sell-off, 70 pips in profit on that gold. So please wait for Orlando's management. Or you can do whatever you want. Okay. So 13,880 here as key level in Bitcoin. Okay. In Bitcoin, maybe I will delete this. I will delete all these levels here. Okay. Okay, please take a look here. It has rebounded after reaching this the channel's downside line, but But as I've said, as long as it is below 23.6, it could come back down and maybe moving sideways here. Yeah, I could still signal a potential larger rebound, but right now the pressure is high, the bias is bearish on Bitcoin. Okay, and only maybe false breakdowns here from this triangle could signal an upside breakout, and then boom in the short term. Or as I've said, staying here above the immediate low here and staying near the downtrend line could signal a breakout and potential leg higher. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions. Only because it's Friday, maybe I will end this webinar here. Silver as well. I will take a look again on the DXY and also on the yen basket. Yeah, yen basket is it has managed to close above here on 1 hour above the downtrend line, and right now is still in the green. Maybe I want to see here a retest. Yeah, it has tried to retest on lower time frames. And if it continues to, but yeah, maybe I would like to see something like this before something like this. Stochastic. Please take a look here. That's why personally I've decided to keep my position in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and only because we had this situation here. Please take a look. Hidden divergence here after this sell-off. Hidden divergence here on 1 hour. It has signaled maybe exhausted the sellers and maybe a potential new leg higher here, a new bullish momentum. Hidden divergence, guys, here on yen basket. So British pound, Japanese yen. No, set up here. Yeah, actually, yeah. But personally, I am already long on the Japanese yen. So maybe I will not double the risk on that. On this market, because I don't have a great setup. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. But maybe I want rebounds, temporary rebounds before I will look for potential new shorts. Yeah, I wanted to talk about this market. Maybe I will delete all the drawings. So strong upside movement here. Yeah, maybe yesterday I've missed an opportunity here after this rebound, because here we had an opportunity. Yeah, and let's take a look. Did I missed something? Yeah, maybe I've missed something again here. But yeah, maybe I'll wait for a new rebound. Maybe it will find support here around these former lows. Okay, it has dropped below 0.6664. It has rebounded. So now, right now, I don't have an opportunity on Australian dollar, US dollar. I will look for something else, but right now, yeah, I'm still holding my Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and I have two pending orders, US dollar versus the Japanese yen and US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Thank you guys. I will end this webinar here. It's Friday, and have a great weekend, and personally I will come back with my updates. So my trades, or actually I have only Canadian dollar Japanese yen and two pending orders, US dollar versus the Swiss franc and US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Thank you guys, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.